So, what is the problem with the multimeter? With the multimeter, if you are measuring a simple voltage, let me make some space. If you are measuring a simple voltage, then it is showing some sign of life as 2.4 voltages, which is, well, should be okay-ish. But the problem is that you cannot measure any capacity, any internal resistance, or anything regarding to the power itself, what the cell is capable. To solve that situation, we can have that tester ready with us. And put that cell into the tester.